Hello, beautiful. Alright, so it's raining today, so I can't really do too much, but I'm gonna try to make something, try to do something a little fun, a little crazy, maybe. Fucking terrible, man. God damn. These roads fucking up my alignment. I made them sit their ass back. They riding up on my ass coming through the speed bump. The oversteer is real. Oh yeah. Just pulled up. My boy Mika on the MR2. Sheesh. Damn. What's good, bro? You ready to get a running? Yeah, it's a big difference. All right, so gotta change these because my brake's starting to wear down. So I'm gonna boil some right here. All right, so now I'm onto the driver's side. Just gotta take these push pin bolts off. Alright, so I should have hung this one, but I don't know where the hanger is. I don't know where I put it at, but it's sitting up on like the control arm. Screw it, and it just pushes the piston back in there. Time to put these bolts back in there. Try to get it lined up in there. Yep. Got that bad boy on there right there. Got that top one in there. So now we gotta get that bottom one. Where's the Second screw up. Kind of in a tight space right here. That's why I hate doing it in the garage, but it's actually raining out there. Well, it was raining. It's windy now. I just didn't feel like pulling it back out. So, you know, I'm doing this right here. All right, so I just got finished putting the brake pads in. Now I only did the fronts, I didn't do the rear, because I just did the rear probably like a few months ago. So the fronts, I did the fronts probably in the summer. Right now, I'm about to just start pumping the brakes. About a week and a half ago, I removed the sport wheels because it's definitely time for me to replace them. Since it's getting warm outside, I threw on the ESR wheels and also my RPF 1. So right now I'm running the mismatch set with the lightweight RPF 1s. The tires, especially this one, like this is fucking bald right here. Tread pattern on this is okay, but it's getting low. That's pretty much low. This right here, a couple months ago, I ended up popping the tires, so I just replaced it. I just replaced this one tire. This is actually like my winter setup. So definitely got to get 4 tires for those because it's not looking too good. I'm gonna just end the video off right here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a couple photos that I recently took before I actually swapped the wheels out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all in the next one.